Hello and welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we're counting down 5 of the best video doorbells you can buy right now, packed with smart features, crystal clear video, and advanced security technology to keep your home protected around the clock. Whether you want to monitor deliveries, screen visitors, or simply have peace of mind knowing exactly who's at your front door, these doorbells are in a league of their own. From wire-free convenience to hardwired precision, there's something on this list for every home and every budget. Let's get started. Number 5, Eufy Security Video Doorbell E340. The Eufy Security Video Doorbell E340, a dual-camera powerhouse that completely eliminates the frustrating blind spots found in most standard video doorbells. What makes this one truly stand out is its innovative dual-lens system, combining a wide-angle lens for full face detection with a downward-angled lens that captures package drop-offs at your feet, so you'll never miss a delivery again. The E340 delivers stunning 2K resolution footage with full-color night vision, ensuring sharp, detailed images even in complete darkness. Its on-device AI accurately distinguishes between people, vehicles, and packages, dramatically cutting down on false alerts. With local storage built right in, you get continuous recording without paying for a monthly cloud subscription, a feature that alone sets it apart from much of the competition. The E340 works with both existing doorbell wiring and a battery option, giving you flexible installation choices. The Eufy Security Video Doorbell E340 retails for approximately $160, delivering dual-camera intelligence at a price that's hard to argue with. Number 4, Arlo Video Doorbell. The Arlo Video Doorbell, a sleek, smartly designed doorbell that brings a unique tall 1:1 aspect ratio video format that shows you visitors from head to toe, not just their face. That wider field of view means you see the full picture, every time. With 1080p HDR video and a 180-degree diagonal field of view, it captures everything happening at your front door with exceptional clarity. Motion-activated alerts are delivered directly to your smartphone, and two-way audio with noise cancellation makes conversations with visitors feel natural and clear. The Arlo Video Doorbell integrates seamlessly with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit, making it one of the most smart home-compatible doorbells on the market. It connects directly to your existing doorbell wiring for a clean, permanent installation, and activity zones let you focus alerts on the areas that matter most, ignoring street traffic and focusing on your doorstep. The Arlo Video Doorbell retails for approximately $150, offering premium smart home integration at a very competitive price. Number 3, Google Nest Doorbell Wired. The Google Nest Doorbell Wired is a beautifully designed, intelligently powered video doorbell that leverages Google's advanced on-device machine learning to deliver one of the smartest visitor detection experiences available. This doorbell doesn't just detect motion, it thinks. It can recognize and differentiate between people, animals, vehicles, and packages, sending you only the alerts that actually matter. Streaming at 1080p HDR with HDR enabled and a 145-degree field of view, you get a wide, detailed look at everything in front of your door. The 24/7 continuous recording capability, available with a Google Home subscription, ensures nothing ever slips through the cracks. One of its standout features is the ability to display a familiar face preview on your Google Nest Hub or phone before you even answer the door. Seamless integration with the entire Google Home ecosystem makes voice commands and smart automations effortless. The Google Nest Doorbell Wired retails for approximately $180, and for Google Home users especially, it's an almost perfect fit. Number 2, Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2. The Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2, Ring's most advanced wired doorbell yet, and a genuine leap forward in home security technology. The headline feature here is 3D motion detection with bird's eye view, which uses radar technology to map out a top-down aerial view of motion events around your door, showing you exactly where someone moved and the precise path they took. That's a level of motion intelligence you simply don't find in most competitors. The Pro 2 records in crisp 1536p HD video with an improved head-to-toe field of view, so you see visitors in full from the moment they approach. Pre-roll technology captures the 4 seconds of video before motion is even triggered, giving you complete context for every event. Two-way audio with noise cancellation keeps communication crystal clear, and deep integration with Amazon Alexa allows you to see your doorbell feed on Echo Show devices instantly. Customizable motion zones, advanced frequency settings, and a clean flush mount design round out this premium package. The Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2 retails for approximately $250, making it one of the most feature-complete wired doorbells you can buy. Number 1. Arlo Essential Video Doorbell Wire Free. The Arlo Essential Video Doorbell Wire Free, the best overall video doorbell that combines outstanding video quality, completely cable-free installation, and intelligent smart features into one exceptional package. This is home security made effortless. True to its name, the Arlo Essential Wire Free requires absolutely no existing doorbell wiring, meaning you can mount it virtually anywhere without calling an electrician. Installation takes minutes, not hours. It records in 1080p HDR video with a 180-degree diagonal field of view, that same head-to-toe perspective that shows you the full picture every single time. On-device processing delivers smart alerts that distinguish between people, vehicles, animals, and packages, so your phone isn't buzzing with irrelevant notifications all day. Two-way audio lets you talk to visitors, delivery drivers, or deter unwanted guests right from your smartphone, from anywhere in the world. The built-in siren adds an extra layer of active deterrence, and compatibility with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit makes it one of the most universally compatible doorbells available. The rechargeable battery is easily swappable, and optional solar charging means you can keep it powered indefinitely with zero maintenance. The Arlo Essential Video Doorbell Wire Free retails for approximately $200, and for the freedom, flexibility, and smart performance it delivers, it absolutely earns the #1 spot.